अरे prominent people, गोंयकारांक बारके लोकां कोण ना, हे व्हडले मनीस.
No, what is the difference now?
हे व्हडले मनीस, it is not the small people who structure the
No, what is the difference between old plan and new plan? There is no difference.
Because sir,
2-0. In 1972, Bunaksha plan is the same.
प्रश्न काय
Yes.
I'll मातशें राव हांव एक्सप्लेन करता.
Yes.
आतां स्पीकर सर व्हेरी स्पेसिफिक हे प्लेन पळय हाय व्हेरी सिंपल यू आर ट्रायंग टू गुणावपाक प्रयत्न चला हाल तेली
कोणावे प्रश्न येना. I will give you explanation.
ऑलमोस्ट हे लिस्ट जे पळय एमएलएन धाडा more than 200 structures have been shown on the Bunaksh plan that have been changed. Ana jenna 200 structures all across the state. आणि जेन्ना हे जाले स्पीकर सर त्या वेळार ते परमिशन घेऊन सीझेडएमपी जस्ट इट आय टेल यू इट्स माय जॉइंट क्वेश्चन आता स्पीकर सर सीझेडएमपी एक आय गिव यू वन पर्टिक्युलर केस बेस्ड ऑन द चेंज ऑफ दिस बुनक्श प्लेन वन परकिशत पप्पी दुरा डेव्हलपर्स जलंधर पंजाब हेणे प्लेन हे चेंज करून परमिशन गेले private party applied to CRZ by giving misrepresentation. Other speaker sir, 112/4 of Kandolim village. 3 structure दाखविले 0 to 200 meters, 200 to 500 meters आमध्ये. ये manipulation झाला. हिंगा बोसन IP addresses change करपाक. कोलवाचे प्लेन चेंज झाले मांद्रेच्या गावात. मांद्रेचे प्लेन झाले कोलवाच्या मुखेलमंत्री खबर आहा. This, you please admit, do not, particularly, you were not aware, you all were not aware, I know that the department, even the environment minister was not aware. They were, once again, later, reality, AG, more than 600 crores of rupees was collected by one individual and others were used. This is a criminal offense. You cannot change structures like this. हे केन्ना येले मंत्री तुझ मुखार येले जेन्ना तो मनीस तुझ्या सोयऱ्या एकले सोयऱ्या बरे गेलो दिस इज अ क्रिमिनल ऑफेन्स.
प्रश्न किती
आज बारीक नुस्तेकार
प्रश्न किती
जे बारीक लोक आज हे सीझेडएमपी सर हो प्रश्न पडा आता इन युअर आन्सर. Now I'll tell you exactly on your answer. The answer given to CZMP in your reply when they asked you, when they flagged this particular land record about this one Kalangut Constituency Forum, they complained to CZMP. In that when CZMP wrote to your DSLR, you all said these are doubtful structures. Now Speaker sir, the DSLR they are acknowledging that this structure, once again, after that, Speaker sir, they wrote back and CZMP cancelled that particular issue. Tinga hotel banpache prayatna. This is a criminal. Will you take? There has to be an SIT on this. Itle muine. Transfer kera ke muncha.
See what I am trying to tell you.
See, you are not trying. You are trying to gunav.
I am not going to I am giving a proper explanation.
प्रश्न हा कि कौन है ये लोग, कहां से आते हैं ये लोग, क्या करते हैं ये लोग, किसने किया ये, किसने ये घोटाला किया? You should know. You should know. किसने किया? Yes.
You tell me no.
No, he's placed it. Now, Honorable Minister, you know it.
I am explaining how our plan goes.
What is your plan?
Plan C.
Based on this.
Yes.
Easy.
As far as Bunaksha plan is concerned, Bunaksha plan refers to the same 1972 plan. Nothing has changed. Listen to me. Now what? Listen to me. Listen. Now you sit down.
Action घेतलो.
Listen to me. That's what I'm trying to say. So now what has happened? As far as Bunaksha's plan is same 1972, even your house which you have built will not be shown in this Bunaksha plan. Which you are doing better. Listen to me. Now 2004. Listen. Are you listening to me now? 2 minutes. Ignorance why threatening?
Attorney Costa,
I'm explaining to you.
No, no,
So
you
listen,
we want action.
Action will be taken. Action will be taken, but I am telling you what is the mix-up which has happened.
No, what action?
Action we have already,
Department.
we have already told, we have instructed.
Opposition leader,
Public Collector has been told to take form an inquiry.
Kaji complete karo diya bhai.
We are not relying, we are not
Opposition
relying
leader.
on any of our
Complete karo diya diya bhai.
so this one will be doing the inquiry. The collector, we have ordered the collector to do.
Collector, no, vigilance has written to you.
Vigilance has not returned to me.
Yes.
We just know it is the direct, it is the initial, in an initial stage in last year itself, director itself has returned to all the SLR. To
There is a fresh
any deficiencies which are there to correct it.
There is
You
a
check,
fresh
you
report
check,
by
please check the
vigilance.
report. Yes, check the report.
Attorney Costa,
But before that, our department itself has returned to all the ISLR.
What is about what vigilance? Sang to much.
Vigilance has done only as far as the
Inquiry open.
and the complainant also has withdrawn his complaint. But that has got nothing to do with it.
अविनाश तावारी मंचान विजिलन्सचा अविनाश तावारी कोणतरी विजिलन्सचा कंप्लेंट बरयल्या आणि विजिलन्सचा कंप्लेंट बरोबर त्यांनी विड्रॉवल केली
ना 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 हांव एक प्रश्न घायला त्या हेजेर म्हाका उत्तर बेस्ड ऑन माय कंप्लेन यू ऑल हॅव रिटर्न टू विजिलन्स एज
No, sorry, not a
ऍक्शन घे ऍक्शन घेता
Yes, Your Honor, Attorney Costa. Antarwat. Yes, Antarwat.
I bring to the attention of the House that a local fishing community from Kortali take big risk while working at Kortali fishing jetty at the fish minding shed. The jetty, which was built many years back, is neglected by the fishing department and it is in very bad condition. Old trawlers are grounded around the jetty, which is dangerous. Request the government to repair the fishing jetty at Kortali and repair the shed immediately. Speaker sir, जी आमची Kortali jetty आसा ती सारकी bad condition आसा आणि हांव मागता जातातले बेगीन ही आमची
Yes.
jetty repair करपाक.
Shri Digambar Kamath.
Attention of the House is drawn as regards the apprehension in the minds of the senior citizens who go to buy ration card, to buy their ration in the fair price shops and find that their fingerprints cannot be recorded in the machines. Due to this, the shopkeepers refuse to give them ration. मातशें पळय कित्याक मशिनाचेर तांचे जाणटे लोकांचे हात येना बोटां ती प्रिंट येता प्रिंट येना जाल्यार ते म्हणटा तुमकां रेशन ना which is a very serious matter.
Yes.
ती सगळे जाण म्हणटा आमकां रेशन प्रायम मिनिस्टर फुकट रेशन दिता आनी हे हांगा प्रिंट येना म्हणटा प्रिंट येत ना तांचो फॉल्ट मातशें पळय
Respect. Shri Vijay Sardesai.
Speaker sir, fear and anxiety in the minds of elected representatives of local bodies that the sentiments of the High Court are not adhered to and respected by relevant authorities. I'll just clarify. There is a order passed yesterday by the High Court in the matter of Rumnamol Panchayat, and the intention of the High Court, Rumnamol, Naveli, dated 7th August 2025 is very clear that Director of Panchayat should keep the election for the post of Sarpanch and Deputy Sarpanch of Rumnamol Panchayat in abeyance till the South Goa District Court disposes of the petition. The government should not go against the intention and the spirit of the High Court order. A glance at the order clearly shows that the High Court has given a level playing field for all the parties. If you want to place this on the table of the House, I want the assurance that the spirit and the intention of the High Court will be respected. You will not do something by which the petitioner has to go to the Supreme Court
Yes.
or go to some other court.